Hello DIYers, I'm really excited today to bring this video. We're going to do an unboxing for Icon's new 1/4-inch drive compact socket and bit set. We're going to compare it to the old drive socket set, which is only a bit set and doesn't have sockets. So let's first get the unboxing done. Let's see, is there an easy way to tear into this packaging? No, I don't think so. I think the best way is just to cut through it on the sides. Got first. All right, let's see how good we did there. If you have a better way of doing this, please let me know in the comments below. That's really cool. Fits move so that they're easier to access. Of course, the best part about this set compared to the old one is that I actually have sockets. And they're all shallow sockets, and the sizes go from 5mm to 14, and it doesn't look like there's any skips. And it goes from 3/16 all the way to 9/16. And I don't know my fractions, but I don't think there's any skips. 1/4-inch, 3/8, 1/2. And from there we have a 2-inch extension, a 4-inch extension, a swivel socket, and a 1/4-inch bit holder extension. We also have various bits, and I'll bring it closer so you can just see all the sizes. Pretty much everything I think you would need in a little kit like this. So that compared to the previous one, of course it's 3 times bigger, but it also has way more stuff. Form factor wise, they look pretty cool. It's kind of like big brother, little brother, like that. Besides the extensions and the sockets, the other addition is the fact that you actually have a drive handle, and a 1/4-inch drive lets you use it with the sockets, and it looks like there's a bit holder as well so that you can use the bits. The new 1/4-inch Ratchet feels way more solid than the old one. This is, I don't know, it's about 30% heavier. It just feels well made. What I do notice though is because it has its own 1/4-inch drive, instead of having a pass-through like this, it means that you can't use the bit extension as a T-handle the way that you could with the old one. So for the old one of my favorite things to do, you could put the bit extension all the way through like this, and now you can use it as a T-handle. But with this one, you can't do that. You still have the same functionality to extend it this way so that you can have a longer reach with the bits, but you can't use it as a T-handle anymore. So depending on if you like that function or not, maybe owning both, maybe it makes the choice easy for you. Take our 10mm here, which I will immediately lose as soon as I touch it. The fractioning feels good. It's not as flimsy because it's not an adapter, which I think was a struggle for the other set here. Feels pretty good. And of course, if you need a longer handle, you can do this. Gives you a little bit more leverage. Not that I think you're using this for leverage, or at least I hope you're not. Extensions feel good as well, not too wobbly. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall off when you're trying to get your angle and everything. Universals looks good, pretty usable. Good inclusion with the kit. And just again for reference, here's how a socket would work with the old one. You put your 1/4-inch drive in, pull out that 10mm again. And you can see there's a little bit of play, and it does tend to pull a little bit. And when I've used this before, you definitely sometimes get it stuck on the bolt and then it pulls off. So, you know, it's not what it was for, but if you did have sockets of your own, it was usable in a pinch. And there you go. Here's the new 1/4-inch drive compact socket and bit set from Icon. You can get this at Harbor Freight. I picked it up on sale a couple weeks ago. It goes on sale every month or two. Definitely keep an eye out. Maybe worth picking up if you just want a little toolkit that you can keep in your car, or if you just work on interior things or use 1/4-inch sockets all the time. I hope you enjoyed this video. I haven't actually done tool unboxings in quite a while on this channel, so if you did appreciate a video like this, please leave a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Alan, and this is Metal Loop. I'll see you next time.